Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Capital. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Capital website right here, capital.com, if you have not already, from where we can get started. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Capital, find application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, now we can get started. The process goes exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you're using the application or the web version. This is what we are going to be doing. First things first, you're going to need to log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you're going to have the open account option that's going to enable you to create an account with Capital that you can go ahead and get started investing into. So once you've logged in, you are going to be greeted by the home page. From here, we can get started accessing the trading section, and we are going to see all the platforms right here, and we are going to have the trading options for stocks. We are also going to go ahead and be able to access the markets for shares right here that you can also use to find the NVIDIA Corp option right here, and this is how the page is going to look like. So you're going to go into the markets overview, access your shares, and then find NVIDIA Corp, and from here we are going to see everything we need. We can go ahead and take a look at the charts, the current prices, how to get into it, and so on, and you're going to have the trade option right here. So basically, using this main page, you can get started buying into the stock and adding it to your portfolio directly on capital.com using the account you have just created. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.